Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bio-Dex Foam Stop. What is Bio-Dex Foam Stop? The Foam Stop product is a powerful liquid formula foam remover that is fast-acting and will instantly fight foam on contact with the water. This formula can be used in pools, spas, and fountains. It is environmentally safe and is a non-toxic product. Product benefits: fast-acting foam fighter. Helps clear up pools, spas, and fountains. Environmentally friendly formula. Usage directions: shake before using. Add 1/4 ounce to 1/2 ounce per each 250 to 500 gallons of water. Apply Bio-Dex Foam Stop while water is circulating. No wait required. Pool may be used immediately after treatment. To prevent foaming, add a squirt or two before entering the pool. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.